Okay, so absolute value inequalities. People have lots of troubles getting these set up. There are two styles. There are greater thans, which is the one that we're doing here, and then there are less thans as well. These are the notes that come with the quiz and the exam, so you will have these for reference. Seriously, all you gotta do is look at this and go, which one I got a greater than, so that's this greater than, and that means I'm going to set this up with the inside less than the negative of that value, or the inside greater than that value. And basically, and the same thing with the less than, you just follow this right here. And if you do that, they will come out right, assuming you don't make errors. But this is it, and you do have those as reference for both the quiz and the exam. So just make sure that you know it's there and then how to use it, and you'll be in good shape. So for this one, we got this. So we're going to do this inside less than the negative of 3. So we're going to go 6c minus 2 is less than, whoops, negative 3. So it's less than the negative or greater than the positive. Or 6c minus 2 is greater than positive 3. And again, you don't have to remember that. This is where it sets up so that you get graphs going like this. But if you get mixed up on that, it's cool. Check this out. It's right there for you. And kids and the pets are coming home, so there's a little bit of an activity. I bet. Okay, puppy dog. Okay, so let me finish solving this out. We'll add this 2 over, and that is 6c is now less than negative 1, and then bringing the 6 over, c is less than negative 1/6. And then on this side, we got 6c, add the 2 over, is greater than 5, or c is greater than 5/6. And let's see, how did they want the answer on this one? Interval. Okay, so this is, if it helps to think of it on a graph, c is less than negative 1/6, so I kind of made this crappy looking graph up here. These would be open dots. But negative 1/6, it's going this way, it's less than that, where c is greater than 5/6, that's going this way. You don't have to draw the graph, but it does kind of help me in terms of writing this interval notation. I write better from the graph, so I think I'm fairly visual. We got that union between, to bridge that gap between those two sets, and we'll pop over here, we'll do the 5/6, and then that goes to infinity. And that is how you do every single greater than. If there was stuff around this, which I think is the next example I'm going to do, you just want to make sure that you get simplified to here first, and then you just follow those steps in the notes.